How to unhide group chat in Viber. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Viber application, and in order to unhide the group chat, what you have to do is just on the search bar, tap on it and mention the pin code or the pin that you have set to hide the group. So here I am going to choose and use my pin code, and here it shows my group. So just tap on that group, and after tapping on that, all you have to do is make a long press and you can see the option of unhide chat. So just tap on it, tap the pin again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.